This tip could save you hours of wasted study time. Today's short attention span feels like a human pandemic. Some reports can compare our focus to that of a goldfish. This is really alarming. But this is not really laziness, it's brain chemistry. Your dopamine and norepinephrine, the chemicals that keep you alerted and motivated, start to fade after about 1 hour. Push much longer and every extra minute gives you less return. The sweet spot for learning is one focus block of about 45 minutes. Here's how to make the most out of it. First, warm up for 5 minutes by setting targets on what you are to cover. What I prefer is that you check past paper questions related to what you are to study at the beginning so you know exactly what your objective. Second, skim through the notes while targeting the questions that you set as your objective. When the timer ends, walk, stretch, or do any mindless chore. Avoid scrolling your phone. That constant novelty spikes dopamine again and steals your recovery. You really need that time to store the information. Always work with your brain, not against it. Trust me, that 45 minutes will expand slowly as you train your mind and build stamina. I wish you a very successful academic year ahead.